Friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your in-store Walgreens video for the week of September the 28th to October the 4th. We have a new month over at Walgreens. There's a whole bunch of new digital coupons and there's lots of stuff to be had and found. Throughout the video, I'm going to show you $7 or $25 baskets with the 7 back. This is your mileage may vary. Not everybody received it. I only got it on one of my store accounts, but we're going to pepper it through the video. First thing we're going to talk about is a couple clearance items. The first, I think this was a summer candy. $1.59 from almost $6. This would go perfect in a stocking for 200 Tic Tacs. Not bad. We also have the Selena Gomez. It's like a cinnamon flavored Oreo cookie. At $3.29, we have a $2 back on IBOTTA that you can do up to 3 times, making the bag $1.29. The expiry is end of October. Maybe stock up. And we have a couple of the different flavors of Prime at 50% off. So if you want to stock up on those, be on the lookout. And this is called KSI The Nightmare, some sort of boxing YouTube thing. Okay, so if you guys could do me a huge favor before we really dive into the deals, if you can give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up or press the hype button. I know a lot of you have been hyping up my videos and I really appreciate it. Completely free to do, and just to make sure that the video doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Let's get right into it. This is the hottest deal, and I have a little prediction that the IBOTTA rebate for this is going to go quickly. Some ladies are saying that the IBOTTA rebate is doubling, and then others are saying I'm only getting one. I did do this deal twice last week, and I only got the $2 back, not both rebates. So just be mindful of that. We're going to load this friend, which is the 5 off 3 digital coupon, and I predicted this in yesterday's video, and here it is, our friend, so load it. And the promotion for this is that when you buy 3, you're getting back a $5 register reward, and that liquid body wash by OLAY is the cheapest in the OLAY line for this. Now, as I was saying earlier with IBOTTA, there's a $2 rebate back on each, plus a 3 off 2 that some people are getting. I don't know if it's a certain flavor that's triggering both rebates, but my experience last week was I was only getting that $2 one back. So no nonsense here. We'll just go with the $2 one because that was my experience last week because I was using a paper coupon that I had from buying these OLAY Christmas gift sets last year. So, okay. Grabbing 3 of these OLAY body washes, it's $21. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $16. Get back a $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt for $6 back from IBOTTA. It makes it 5 for 3 or $1.66 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. So no 7 back when you spend $25 if you just want to do this deal on its own. If you get 9 back from IBOTTA, well, heck, it's a much better deal. But that certainly wasn't my experience last week because I did do this deal because I had a couple of those paper coupons, as I stated in last week's videos. Now let's utilize this, the 7 back when you spend $25, and we're going to go really fancy with these OLAY Super Serum body washes. I do like their lotions, so to use this, you know, maybe it'd be a great body wash. I've yet to try it because I always go with the cheaper one. And this morning we got this, which is the 7 off 2 digital coupon. And this is the promotion that it's on, that when you buy 20, you're getting back a $5 register reward. And sorry, guys, nothing was tagged at my store because I was there really early this morning and they had yet to tag. Over on IBOTTA, you're getting $3 back for each with a limit of up to 2. So that's $6 back for the OLAY Super Serum. So these are obviously a little bit more expensive than the $7 ones. These are $13 per bottle. So 2 of these premiums is $26. Have your booster loaded. Have that digital also loaded. So you're going to pay $19 with your debit card as you're using the booster of spend $25 to earn back $7. You're getting back a $5 register reward for the body wash. Photograph your receipt for $6 back from IBOTTA. And $7 in Walgreens cash for that booster, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. Fantastic. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using that booster in it of spend $25 to earn back $7. And double, triple check that all your IBOTTA rebates are there when you're in store, because if they do vanish on you, you're left with nothing. So double, triple check, guys, just to be super smart. Select Febreze products are 4 for $10 this week, so you are going to be scooping up 4 of them, and these are the Air Effects. certainly open up your IBOTTA account to ensure that the digital rebates are attaching to what you're buying and it's on this promotion. And we're going really heavy with the Febreze this week. Over on IBOTTA, there's basically $3 back when you purchase 4 of these. So make it happen, guys. And obviously open up the app and scan all the barcodes to ensure that items are attaching, so it's not some big mystery when you're at the checkout. And very easy deal. 4 of these Air Effects is $10. That's $3 back from IBOTTA. It makes it 7 for 4 or $1.75 per spray. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have a register reward that you want to throw into a deal, just like something easy, this would be very ideal to get a little bit of money back from IBOTTA. And as stated previously, double, triple check that those IBOTTA rebates are there and they are attaching to the products that you're picking up. That's also super critical. Now we're going to talk about a couple dental care deals. The first one is the 16-cent Oral-B brushes or the Crest toothpaste priced at $3.50 per unit. Okay, so guess who's back? We have a new 5 off of 3, so load this one. And the promotion for this is that when you buy 3, you're getting back a $5 register reward. And obviously, we're looking for the cheapest $3.50 items, so that toothpaste or the Oral-B brush. Grabbing 3, it's $10.50. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $5.50, getting back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And honestly, if you don't have a booster, maybe this is a coupon that you want to hang on to for next week, just in case you have a larger basket next week, like a spend 30 or spend 40, earn back 10 or something like that. Unpopular opinion, I am a Palmolive girly, and this is all we use in our household. I don't care about Dawn, and I love it when it's cheap. So we have this, a $2.50 off of 2. And this is for the wonderful Palmolive that is $2.99 this week. $1 register reward when you buy 2. And again, that $2.50 off of 2 is in fact attaching. Grabbing 2, it's going to be $5.98. Subtracting that big digital coupon, you're going to pay $3.48, get back a $1 register reward, making it $2.48 for the 2 or $1.24 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This is one, though, I'm definitely stocking up on because I love the Palmolive. The green one is my favorite. Old-fashioned, but hey, it works. Time for a pop quiz using this, the 7 back when you spend 25. Alternatively, too, guys, if you might have a paper one, like a 5 back when you spend 20, you can actually stack the 2 for even bigger savings if you can track one down. So for this little basket, we're going to throw in 2 of my favorites, the Palmolive for $5.98, and then 3 of those Olay body washes at $7 a unit for $21, for a total of $26.98. I have my digital booster loaded. I have $7.50 in digital coupons as well loaded, $2.50 for Palmolive and $5 for the Olay. So with my debit card, I'm going to pay $19.48. Get back $6 in register rewards, $1 for Palmolive, $5 for Olay, $7 in Walgreens cash, as I did a spend 25 to earn back 7, and then I'm photographing my receipt to IBOTTA for $6 back. It makes it 48 cents for the 5 or 9 cents per item. Do not use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using the booster of spend 25 to earn back 7. Now, if you get 9 back from IBOTTA, if it's doubling for you, I didn't have that experience, but if it is for you, it's going to be a free basket. So how lovely is that? Fabuloso at $4.99 and the Ajax at $4.99. Unfortunately, both of these products I think are only sold in larger markets. $3 reward when you buy 2, and this is the one for Fabuloso specifically. We have a $2.50 off of 2, and if you remember the verbiage on the other one, it was $2.50 off of 2 for Palmolive or Ajax. So this is just a Fabuloso only deal. Grabbing 2 of them, it would be $9.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7.48. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $4.48 for the 2 or $2.24 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And just be mindful that this $2.50 off coupon is for the Fabuloso only. Let's go back to some toothpaste at $4 a pop. We have a deal for both the Colgate brushes and the paste, and we have different coupons for both. So load all of these coupons this morning, and here is your 3 off of 2 that you're going to load. What a lovely one this is. Grabbing 2 of these toothpaste for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have manufacturer register rewards from the previous week and you want a smaller out of pocket, throw them into these so you're not paying an arm, leg, and a foot. As predicted, the Arm & Hammer laundry care products are $4.99 each. And we have $1 off 2 digital coupons, so load this. So I think they kind of did this because they don't want people grabbing like 600 per store. It's buy one, get one free this week at $4.99. Subtracting that digital coupon, well, I think most of us can figure out the math. You're going to grab 2 for $4.99. Subtracting that digital coupon, it's $3.99 for the 2 or $1.99 per unit, which is usually their sales price. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you're building your stockpile, get those scent beads. Everybody loves them. And for $1.99, that is a fantastic price point. Okay, so now we're looking at the Dove Whole Body Sprays or Brick Deodorants. This is what I was wondering about in yesterday's video because they kind of let the cat out of the bag with this. It says up to $10 coupon. It's actually a 10 off of 2. And with the Dove Whole Body, there is a rebate for this on Fetch. Here it is. Mine is buy 2 to get back 4,500 points. Yours might be 3,500 per unit. So for 2 of them, you're getting $7 back. So double, triple check your Fetch because we all have different ones. A couple friends of mine have the $7 one. I only have $4.50. Grabbing 2 for $19.48, subtracting that generous coupon, you'll pay $9.48. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards rebate. It's going to be $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per deodorant. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but deodorant specifically, especially canned sprays, are so expensive right now. So I would definitely make this deal happen if you have like no deodorant in your stockpile because it's always good to stock up on this. And a lot of us prefer the sprays and from a can. Couple other deals are the $3.50 Doritos. They're 2 for $7. There's also other chips in the line that are part of it. So if you need to stock up on snacks, this is not a bad price point. And the final deal that we're looking at is the buy 1, get 2 for free on the Walgreens freezer bags. So you're going to pay $2.79 for the first, get 2 for free, making it 93 cents per box of 20. This is a very good stock up price. Go and make these deals happen. And as always, thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.